Hello guys, this is Ish. I'm going to do the unboxing of this thing. Actually I did already. This is a Crankshaft 36JU0036, somewhere around 6,300 pesos you can get. Actually I wear the gloves. I'm so sorry they're small because they are not according to the Indian hand sizes. So okay, so let's do it. I have to wear these gloves. Actually, I would suggest everyone to wear the gloves because it has oil parts in it and it can get rusted later on. So let me take it out. So this is okay. So this is your crankshaft. This is your crank bearing. This is your shafts. This is your con rod. And this con rod is actually not the bearing types. It has bushes inside. Yes, I'm right. It has bushes inside here. So actually, if you look at the engines of these big bikes, all those Kawasaki 1000 cc's or whatever, you will find that all these motorbikes have been having these kind of crankshafts which are actually bushing types, so they give a better response and they are more durable. And the best part is, like, if there is a problem, you can just change this thing only. Yeah, this con rod you can change only. No need to change the whole crankshaft. If it is too much screwed up, then only you need to change the whole crankshaft, but otherwise you don't need to. But whenever you handle these things, you need to please make sure that you're always using your gloves, because you will rust these things. So that's the problem. But yeah, so this is a part number. You can see 36JU0036, and it comes with only one bearing, so the other bearing I think you have to buy separately. That's a problem. Okay, so we will buy that because our customer needs the whole thing. Anyways, this is the crankshaft unboxing for NS200 and RS200. They have the same. Even Dominar has a similar kind of crankshaft.